Have you ever wondered how to change the color of an Instagram notes? Let's begin. To begin with, launch the Instagram app on your phone. Right after that, click on the paper airplane icon at the bottom to open your chat section. From your tap on notes option to start creating a new note. Just beneath your profile picture, you will notice a small color palette icon. Simply click on it. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see the color option. Now swipe the color displayed at the bottom to view all the available colors. Once you find the color you like, tap on it and select Apply to set it. Following that, enter the note you want to share. In the end, hit the share button to publish your newly colored note instantly. And there you go. If this guide was helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.